So guys, first click to start, open any browser, go to hp.com, xtag 3 dot, then support, then click to software and driver, click to laptop, scroll down, type HP Pavilion 14. Okay, laptop. So you can check which is your proper your model number. Okay, then scroll down, select operating system, then click to submit. Then slow down, then check network driver. So this is the Bluetooth driver and this is the LAN driver cable. Okay, so first guys, download this one. Okay, it is just completed. After the just single click to open. Next, I accept. Next. This is installing by the CMD. Scroll down and go to download the LAN driver. Extract network, and you can see this is local area network, and click to download. Open setup, click to yes, then next, I accept, next, now this is installing Realtek LAN Ethernet controller driver. So when it is done, after that restart your system. Thank you.